Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I'm at a Toyota dealership getting some maintenance done here on my vehicle, my 2020 Tundra. I got that maintenance package and I'm getting some work done on it. Maybe the oil change and some filters and the tire rotation. And they had a recall, some kind of service recall on the light. So I'm getting all of that taken care of. But what I'm making is a quick video about, I think it was last week, my students asked me a question. They said, Mr. Lewis, and these are juniors and seniors in high school, and they asked me a question. They said, we noticed that we're getting less gas mileage. One student, he said, I got to fill up 3 times a week. Whenever you're on a budget, you start watching this stuff really closely. And me, I got that Tundra. It used a lot of gas anyway, so I really haven't paid attention to it. So I said, I don't know, maybe you need to, get your oil change the filter and get a tune up and all that other stuff. And he told me he did that. And about 10 or 15 more students said they noticed that they're getting less gas mileage too. So I don't know if it's something that they're doing to the gas now. I noticed that the gas prices are going down, but also the gas mileage on the vehicles are going down. And it really caught my attention because yesterday my son, and he don't pay attention too much on his gas, on his mileage. And he said, Dad, I noticed that my car is only getting like 17.5 miles a gallon. It usually get 22 or 21. And I know we have done all the maintenance on this car. We got the oil change, we got tune-ups and everything. This happened about 6 months ago. We did all the maintenance on it. And he said, you think it's something that they're putting in the gas? I said, I don't know. Maybe we could do some research. But they're not the only people. I noticed this. A lot of people are complaining about getting less gas mileage. So I'm curious. Anybody work in that industry know about if they're putting anything in the gas, or what, you pumping more air than you are gas in your tank? I don't know. I know the prices of gas is going down, but if you have to keep filling up and you're getting less gas miles per gallon, then it defeats the purpose. So if anybody out there I know somebody's going to get out there and say, do this and do that to your vehicles. We've already done all those things. My son even tried to put premium gas. He usually uses regular, so he put super unleaded gas. And he ran it for a couple of weeks, and he said it still didn't get any better gas mileage. I know the vehicle is getting old, and maybe they want everybody to start going to electric instead of gas. But I'm curious if any of you guys notice that your gas mileage is going down, and how did you fix that, or what did you do to get that to increase or get more gas mileage out of it? All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.